Hi guys, just figuring this out now. Can I get this one? Let me know if the sound is good right now. I was just checking this, see if the quality of the sound and stuff. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, we're just discussing this right now together as a team. So now, no hard feeling. Okay. So just take in consideration that Bitcoin did rise so rapid and so fast lately. Okay, so every 4 years, you guys know what they're having, and it does rise really fast. The recent warning from the Bitcoin, and it's a bubble, it could explode. You can say that was a big, huge fall. Really, to gain momentum to break this one, it's hard. It's not easy. It can happen. It can happen. It can go to 70. Yes, it possibly can go to 70. Okay. Nothing written says it will not or can't. Who could ever dream the Bitcoin go to 50? Just going back right there, we have seen. So guys, that's a recent analysis I have put. Okay. So right there, when we're still at the 15, right there was 16,000. It says at the top, Bitcoin to continue to 21 right there, and Bitcoin will reach 26K easily in the next 100 days. This claim is not too far from the truth. Bitcoin is taking media attention again. Watch out for this part. It was taking the media attention. So the psychology part is big mover right now. It's not the dollar dropping, it's not the yield or anything, just all psychology. Something is winning too much, so everybody wants to get in it. So it's all psychology. So the more media attention to get, the more psychology. You can see one tweet from Mr. Mask. He just moved everything around, okay? And more buyers will jump in. When was this? November 27, 2020. Okay, guys. So that's November 27. That's a while ago, before even it breaks the previous high. The question is, after more buyers, okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger right here so I can read together. After more buyers jump in, will the holders of large Bitcoin dollar will sell their coins rapid and fast at some point soon, causing the market to fall fast again, or they will hold most of the coins hoping for 50K. That's what happened. See, guys, the hope and the fear. So we talked about breaking the 26. Breaking the 26 is just gonna break the 25. 25 is 1/4 of 100, so a big number. So the next target will be 2/4 of the 100, which is a 50. Okay, so that was before the breaking. So we did expect the 26 and said if the 26, if the people are gonna hold, we're gonna go to the 50 for hopes, nothing else. Psychology, it's all psychology. Okay. The market of Bitcoin is undercapitalized. At that time, the Bitcoin capital was about 250 billion only. There is potential to double once, twice, or even 5 times. You guys heard last couple weeks that the Bitcoin market cap hit $1 trillion. So we were given hints from November 27th, okay, that the market cap can double 5 times and still be accepted. What does this mean? More buyers can continue to jump in, you know. Can we see the 30K level? Well, yes, breaking the 20K psychological number is very important. Then retest this 20K level. Once the 20K is taken and we are steady sitting above it, we can discuss the 36K as next far target, okay? So that was not too far, and that was all-time high, okay? Does Bitcoin have the potential to reach? Yes. The price is good to buy. It's risky. It's not as those ones who did buy from the April when it was 6 or 7K. We have given this signal also, guys. Okay? As interest rate is extremely low, bond yields are not attractive. Okay. The yields in the bond are just were falling, so really bonds are not really great. Stocks have their risk and limits. Gold is falling as the vaccine was announced. Okay. So the gold also was not something great. It was falling. Investors, I mean big one. Okay, guys, see these big ones? You know who's the big ones again. Will be targeting real estate, stocks, and recently Bitcoin. So Bitcoin became one of the investors' investment. The big investors, big hedge funds, big billionaires, you know, it became part of the portfolio. That's what happened. That was from November 27th, guys, okay? Okay, guys. So watch out. Fund managers, that's very important, guys, will be watching closely, and any fall in Bitcoin can trigger a huge sell off and dumping the currency to book profit. It became a part of the game. They play with it. They take profit and kill it. Okay. So fund managers will be watching closely, and any fall in the Bitcoin can trigger a huge sell-off, and that was we have seen recently, and this could potentially extend. I'm not saying it does have to happen, but I'm saying could potentially. So invest careful, invest like beware before holiday. Usually there is a profit taken in stocks, fast rising things like gold, and that was Christmas holiday, guys. Okay, that was meant to Christmas holiday at the time. Will the Bitcoin fall like stocks, or risk, or rise like gold? Gold usually rise in December. Most likely will rise sharp at 21, and if broken, then 26, then 36K. If this support is broken, this is the other scenario, okay? Is highlighted. We can see a big correction to 12,500 psychological number, but I doubt this scenario, okay? Okay, man. So that one right there. So we expected this wave right there and come back, see like this, then it did break this one massively, continue going up. Anyway, we're watching right now, expected, see, giving some analysis, see what happened. And that was one from November also, guys, right there. We said to buy if it bounced from the 6,000 right there. It did come very close to it, and it did bounce really nice to the area right there. It was really nice signal, this one. And that was from the 6,000 to 9,000, 3,000 move. Anyway, so right now this is going down. So far it's under a big high, all-time high. In order to actually be in a buy, you need to come possibly to the 42 level. So I'm gonna go, of course, probably to 2 hour or even 1 hour. Okay, this scenario, if it comes like this first, then you get some correction right there, here. Then after that, you see more buyer jumping in to take this back up to either go here or break it higher. But before this, there is no buy for me. I don't see any buy here in this area. In my opinion, I could be wrong. It's just sharing opinion with you guys. I appreciate. So we have different opinions right here. So and we all, as one team, guys, we appreciate all the opinions. You guys, everyone is free to share the opinion. Who can ever expect the Bitcoin to go to the 56 or 60? Very few people who forecasted this. There was some, but it was just nothing very solid to give you solid numbers. Okay. And because this carried over by the feelings and psychology is more than any analysis. There's no very specific way of analysis gonna give you why is this moving this way. Okay. After the fact, yes, you're gonna find a lot of people giving you explanation, but before the fact, you're gonna find very little people who's gonna give you explanation. What is this? Okay. Don't know why is this frozen. Yeah, I don't know why my laptop is frozen now, guys. Still frozen. Okay, guys, so we're just watching the entire screen right now. Hey guys, that was a previous podcast also. We said 3 levels to watch in Bitcoin. That was January 17th. 15,400, one of them. Okay, and that was right there at 35, and it did bounce back from 41. Okay, which very something I want to show you guys about this one right there, about this break. See this break out right there? So as long as you guys didn't forget your Bitcoin wallet password, you should be good. There's still more room for one swing up to 50,400 level. I recommend we take profit at this level and get out. Wait for a strong correction, possibly down to 35. See, guys, this was written before this up move. It was written in January 17th. So wait, 54. We got 58, 59, which is good. It's better than 50,400. Okay. And possibly we expected a correction to the 35 after this one, which is could be happening right now. As long as we're above 30K now, still targeting 50,400 level, which is super psychological number. Okay, best luck, try safe. Got some more fancy stuff here. Okay. What happened? It did break this one very fast, continue going up the 55, and that was the 50,400 level we highlighted, which worked as a support resistance. See guys, this one? And that was based in Fibonacci levels also, to be honest with you guys. See, it did work as a support resistance right there. So it did work out. And that was for the first time the Bitcoin to go there. Okay, so that before the price did go up and giving you that level to take profit, which is did range a little bit here before it takes more media attention to push it another 10,000 up. Okay, and the correction also was expected. I guess that was not bad right there. Did continue straight to the see guys the levels highlighted level here. It did respect it too much and it did come to bounce back from the lower level. Exactly. When it see that's how the Bitcoin does it. It comes to go back up to one level. It spends too much time at that level. It fails. It comes back down to get more momentum, more buyers, and when it comes back to this level, it does burst it. Then it takes you to a new level. Makes the same scenario. Then it bursts it, takes you another level. I think we have done this one already. That was good. That also was good, guys. See this chart was fancy chart. It was moving in the range. So you just get the upper band, the lower band, you get your support to resistance. You see the pattern. It's repetitive pattern. See repetitive behavior. This one wave down. We expected this one wave down. When it did come time to spin time. See how it's almost typical, guys. See how it behaves right here and how it behaves right there. So we expected this to come back to this level right there and bounce from here. It did come down to here. It did bounce back up. Okay. And that was just technical analysis. That was the previous one. It did come touch this box. So you have two of these ones, right? Those two are two different ones. That was explaining more of the break and the bounce, how you sell it if it does break, how you buy it if it does bounce right there. So I'm supporting resistance and stuff. Was cool stuff. Okay, guys, how's the sound like this right now? Okay, guys, the sound is okay now? Hello? Yeah. Okay, guys, so all should be good now, I guess. Okay, cool. Sounds good. Okay, I usually use YouTube for live stream. I barely use the trading view. Okay. Okay, guys, we can, if you guys want to talk about some other stuff, we can talk. We can talk some currencies and stuff. Dollar index is just having some correction right there. What we expect is just a correction. It's not a reverse. It's probably gonna go back down. So probably something like this we expect from the dollar index. Okay, this is just gonna put pressure on the gold. Let's jump with the. Look, guys, look at this punch. Oh, the yield is rising, guys. Look at the gold now. It's bang down. See, guys, this is the yield, 10 years yield. It's very up. I don't know why this is going so crazy. See, guys, the yields are going crazy. Really crazy. So the more the yields go up, the US 10-year VIX is rising. And the gold, of course, is going to go down. Oh my goodness. You've got the dollar index and you've got the yield, both of them going up. And that's going to put so much pressure in the gold. Okay, guys. Gold is going 1750s probably right there. Okay, so we can see gold 1750. Okay, guys. So the yields are flying up. The XY is in a correction up wave. Then the two above, which is the yield and the DXY going up, they're gonna send the gold down fast. So at least you understand why the gold is going down right now. Okay, so we have given a sell signal in this gold in our channel and stuff. Okay, oil is going up. Well, the FX right there is going up, so it should send the Dow down. Dow should go down, but it's holding ground. It's okay. Watch out, guys. Any break above the 31,600 area is going to offer opportunity to buy to 32,400. So guys, watch out. This is the second move in the Dow Jones. So the next move in the Dow is all-time high 32,400. Okay, and expect Dow to expect Dow to reach 30K this year. So far, but I guess it's just expectation. Okay, guys. So there is a potential for the Dow to get 36K this year. Okay. As long as the yield is rising, the gold down. Yes, long term, gold probably is gonna go up in the long run, but it needs to dip further down. At least for now, this is short-term analysis. For short-term analysis, we're looking at the 1750. Okay, guys, please, if you do have any question, let me know. So just explain why the gold is going down right now. This is a very clear channel. Okay, guys, so we discussed the gold right here, and we are showing why the gold is falling. As you can see, the bonds, this is the bonds, guys, okay? The bonds is falling. So investors are selling bonds, going for higher risk, okay? So bonds is getting sold off. And the bond has inverse relationship with the bond yield. So the more the bonds go down, the yield will go up. So the 10 years bond yield is rising. Okay, when this rising, then so investors are still in the gold, okay? And they're going for more risky stuff like stocks and stuff, okay? The thing here is the VIX is in correction. See guys, this was very low here at 60, it's 50. It did bounce to 142, it was very fast, very fast. And this is going along with selling the bonds. So is this bonds selling bonds? Okay, so gold normally would fall with this move. Okay, guys, thank you. That was a quick update of what's going on with the gold and the Bitcoin. Best luck for all of you guys, and thank you. Have a great day. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.